Students, this is Rajni Singh and welcome to your math classes. Now today we will solve exercise 6.2 and question number 5. Find the sum. Here we have 4 integers 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how can you add it? First you have to add it these same integers, means same positive or negative integer. So this is the negative integer and this one is negative. So here we added them, and here 4 and 16 both are the positive integers, so here we added 4 and 16. So 7 and 9 we get 9 plus 7 is 16 and the sign is greater value, so here we have minus 16 answer, and plus sign here 16 plus 4 we get 20. Okay, now next here this is the negative integer and this is the positive integer, so here we subtract them. So 16 and 20, the difference is 4 and the sign is plus value, this is greater value, so here this the answer is positive. Now next, if we have 37 minus 2 minus 65 and minus 8, so how can you add it? So here we have minus 2 minus 65 minus 8, these three are negative integer and 37 is positive integer, so 37 I write as it is. Next, here we added all three integers because all are these are the with same sign. So 8 plus 2 10 and 10 plus 65 we get 75 and the sign is greater value, means minus 65 is greater here, now sign is minus 75. Now here this is positive integer and this is negative, so here we subtract them. So 75 and 37, so we take borrow with this number, so here we have 15 minus 7 we get 8, and here we have 4 minus 3 is 1, so the answer is 18 and the sign is minus. Now next we read how can you subtract the integer. So for example, if you have 6 plus 2, so you can easily add them. 6 plus 2 we get 8. If we have 6 in bracket minus 2, so you know this is the positive integer and this is the negative, so here we subtract them. So 6 minus 2 we get 4 and the sign is plus. If we have 6 minus of minus 2, so how can you solve? Here you have to multiply this sign. So here how can you multiply? If you have one positive integer and one negative, so the sign is minus. If you have plus plus or minus minus, okay, so how can you multiply? This is the multiply sign. So plus minus minus, plus plus plus, minus minus plus. Okay, so here we have minus and minus, that means here 6 plus 2 and 6 plus 2 we get 8. If you have 8 and minus of minus 4, okay, so here 8 minus minus plus 4, okay, so 8 plus 4 we get 12. If you have 8 minus plus 4, so minus plus plus minus or minus plus we get minus sign, and here 4, so 8 minus 4 we get 4. If you have minus 8 and minus of minus 2, so here this is minus 8 and multiply this sign, so minus and minus, plus 2. Both are the different sign, so here we subtract them, so 8 minus 2 we get 6, and the sign is greater value, so the answer is minus 6. Next, if the question is subtract minus 4 from minus 10, so here we have minus 10 and subtract minus 4, means subtract sign and minus 4. Okay, so here we have minus 10 plus minus minus we get plus sign, and here we have 4. Now both are different signs, so here we subtract them and the sign is minus. This property is called, this how means plus 4 is the additive inverse of minus 4. Now next, if you have subtract plus 3 from minus 3, so here you have minus 3 and subtract plus 3. Okay, so here minus 3 and minus 3, minus plus minus, so here this is the additive inverse of plus 3, means just opposite sign, so 3 minus 3 and minus 3 we get 6, and the sign is minus.